So here's the hyperspeed going through the corridor of trees. And we're just cruising along. Yeah. Highway 20 going up towards Highway 80. I guess this is about 20 miles worth of video. And we're just cruising. This is my version of a sound over. Cow root pig and what? The lost RVers. We keep playing, right? Innovation. We can even beef it up. Take it a little higher. Take it down slow and easy. Coming to the end of the... Keep going. Go. 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 And then we change out. Now we're really getting going. Heck yeah. Yeehaw. Coming to the close. Thanks for watching this part. See you in a bit. Okay, the start of another Sierra fishing gold mining trip the night before. At a sports bar, cow root pig and white, the lost RVers. Dream big, drive hard. All right, this is the lost RVers on a non-RV road trip. We're going to be doing about 300 miles, 400 miles backcountry. We're going to go to a place called Jackson Meadows. We have until Sunday. They're closing it down Sunday for the season, so we're going to go up and try to catch some Chinooki trout, Chinook, big trout, and then we're going to head down a dirt road for about 50, 60 miles to go to a place called Oregon Creek. I think I have a tape on that. But we're going to go back because we found gold last time. Our last gold mining trip was unproductive. So we're going to try to get over there and do some more panning, see if we can find a couple of nuggets and do some gold detecting with the gold detectors. So what I'm going to do is when I get to this part of the forest, I'm going to put this on hyperdrive or hyperspeed and take you all the way through the giant, it looks like a corridor of just giant pine trees. It's really cool. I've always wanted to do this. Last camera couldn't do it. This Samsung S20 Plus has a lot more memory and a lot more RAM to do this kind of stuff. So I'm going to do a hyper. I don't know how long I'll go, but it should be cool. And until we find another place to say hello to y'all, I'll sign it off. The next segment should be the hyperspeed going through the corridor of trees on Highway 20, California. To lost RVers, remember hit the subscribe button. And just a side note, thank you all in TikTok for subscribing to my station and getting that little video I posted up to 1.2 million views as of this morning. 1.2 million views, and you on YouTube can watch the 17-second video that made me famous, right? The lost RVers. See ya. So here's the hyperspeed going through the corridor of trees. Just cruising along. Yeah. Highway 20 going up towards Highway 80. I guess this is about 20 miles worth of video. And we're just cruising. This is my version of a sound over. Cow, root, pig, and what? The lost RVers. We keep playing, right? Innovation. We can even beef it up. Take it a little higher. Take it down slow and easy. Coming to the end of the... Keep going. Go, 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 go. And then we change out. Now we're really getting going. Heck yeah. Yeehaw! Coming to the close. Thanks for watching this part. See you in a bit. Well, that was fun. That was about 20 miles. The corridor of trees, we call it. Always wanted to do that on a Hyperloop. Actually, there's more ahead, but 2.5 minutes of watching fast forward is probably getting boring. So, we'll get on to the next stage. I guess Highway 80 is coming up, Truckee. Then you turn left, go north, and Jackson Meadow Reservoir. Remember, I bought a S20 Ultra. Much better zoom. But it had autofocus problems so bad I brought it back and I got the S20 Plus. Because on the Ultra, on the left and right side of the road, I mean, it just go in and out of focus. Couldn't maintain focus at all. What's that up there? Those are the cities. Look how smoky it is. Is brought to you by Samsung's Galaxy S20 Plus. Look at the smoke. Holy cow. Alright, we'll be back. Bye. Laird's Den, 49 Quincy 73. So we gotta go up here towards Quincy and then we head inland. Go back west, I believe. So we'll talk to you in a bit. Oh, look at these beautiful traffic circles. I love traffic circles. I love traffic circles. There we go. Alright, Highway 89 North, right there. See ya. Alright, we're here. We're at a place called Pass Creek. And I'm telling you folks, I haven't seen it like this ever. Look at this, where it used to be up to right here. Yeah, I think I can get down and fish this place for sure. We'll just park right up here. Alright, cow, root, pig, and wife. Show you that, and I'll just spin you around over here just to give you the first indication of what it looks like. Zoom out. Wow. Look at here. And he thinks he's going to catch trout here? What the hell is that? Okay, we're going to fish. We see fish jumping, or at least eating bugs off the top right out there. So we're going to give this a shot and then maybe go over to the face of the dam, which is somewhere down that way. All right. See ya. I mean, we see a lot of feet of the little minnows right out there, so we're going to give it a shot. And of course, all fishing must start by a log or a stump. Just give you a clue to where I am. I'm just right up there. And there they are, coming on down. Yeah, we'll give it an hour or so. We were supposed to leave like at 5. We left at 9. IPAs. See ya. Water sports things. There's the buddies down there. Started way too late, way too hot. But we keep trying. See ya. So for the continuity shot, we bugged out of there. I mean, there was people water skiing and paddle boards and no jet skis, but they were doing it up out there, and it was 1,000,000 degrees. The air isn't all that hot. There it is right there. We're coming around. We're going to go to the dam face, cut across the dam face, and we can start that 40-mile journey. And it's hellish. And again, I'm in my, look at this, look at all the people up here. I'm in my old Highlander, 220 some odd thousand miles on it. There's, I think that's the dam face over there. Yeah, there it is over there. All right, so that's the continuity shot. We're going to try one more place maybe, and then find some place to eat and try to bug out across the mountaintops to the gold mining area. I knew this was going to happen, but hey, it's been fun. And this is the good part right here. So I don't even know why we're doing this. All right, I gotta go. What we're looking for. I guess we passed the dam, so fishing is over. So we drove almost 100, and I don't know, 150 miles out of our way to fish for an hour in the sun. Now we're going back to the other side of the mountain where the gold is. All right, see ya. Cool place. But little did I know, not only is it the last weekend for Jackson Meadows being open from the highway side, you can get there on this side. Believe me, you can always get there. It's the beginning of hunting season, whatever zone this is. All these trucks, these guys in camo. This place is gonna be just nuts. Oh, look at this. All right, good find. Shade. Yeah, good find. Okay, Milton Lake. Same day, a couple hours later. See ya. Milton Lake. Continuity shot. See you guys. Alright, it's worth commentary. People pay a fortune to fly out here and spend time in these trees. And people who come from the trees spend a fortune to go look at buildings. Is it not lost on the irony of that? It's so true. How picturesque. The solitude of the Sierras right here. And the blades of grass blow in the wind. Lunch in the great outdoors. It's going to be a long, long day. There she is. 2002 Highlander. Still running. Oh my God. It's supposed to be barbless, and they're using bait. I would not engage in such activity, but I would eat the fish if they actually caught one. All right, we're gonna go to the dam face and just try there. This is the second lake, Milton Reserve, Milton Lake. Are you ready? Hold on. But we're going to cross this mountain back over the Sierras again. We'll try our luck at some panning, gold detecting again. When you're in gold country, that's what you do. Yeah. Oh man. Absolutely hate this road. A little cement there. Now we've been back there too. There's other lakes tucked on the other side of these hills here. And you can get there, and we aren't going to take it. You really need a 4x4 or just ATV, yeah. There's lakes back there too. Lazy fishermen. Okay, continuity time. We blew out of Milton Lake. It's 3:51. Terrible. Yeah, we're just starting this road. This is a long road. This is what we call an Allegheny trip. Oh man. Now this is just a two-wheel drive Highlander. That Jeep up there is all decked out for climbing rocks actually. But there's not room in it for 3 people. Plus you want 2 vehicles up here in case one breaks down. You don't want to walk out of this place. You're way out in Nowheresville. Alright, just more road. I'll be back in a bit. Count Root Pig and wife are the people. Dream big and drive hard is the motto. And the Lost RVers is the channel. Remember, subscribe if you would. Thank you. Bye. This. Look at that. Way up in the Sierras on a dirt road. Bye. There it is, right there. Out the window to the north. This road is just gnarly. I mean, yeah. I'm not climbing boulders, but it's just a gnarly road. Now you tell me, huh? I can't even see the damn road. Driving due west, right into the sun, and behind a car that's a quarter mile up there, but this dust just hangs in the air. I literally have to stop, poke my head out the window, see if I'm on the road. And there's some cliffs up here. Oh, now I can see. Look at that. We're not even a quarter of the way through it. This is a bad mistake. It just eats up your insides. You get off the road like this and your gut feels like it's jelly. Okay, where is the road? So this is a true Allegheny trip though. This is one of the more truer ones. Back roads, high Sierras, up atop about Jackson Meadows. I don't know, probably 6,500, maybe 7,000 feet up here. We're going down a road called Hennis Pass. And actually this is in pretty good shape compared to what it used to be like. And it runs along a ridge. We're right smack dab. Oh wait, that was a sign back there. A sign. Look at it, you can't see anything. I can stop. Allegheny, 13 miles. Oh wow. Okay, 13 miles. Wow. 13 miles away. Okay, if you look at my YouTube channel, or you're on TikTok, I don't have anything else, YouTube and TikTok, I made mention of Casey's Bar, and lo and behold, I think we're going to go there because it's only 13 miles away. Up here, can you believe it? You'll see it. They will take gold dust for a beer. We don't have any gold dust, but if we did, they would take it. There's a scale there. Alright, I can't see squat. Alright, we'll talk to you guys later. Cal Root Pagan Life, known as the Lost RVers, bringing you this non-RV day trip, which is actually 3 days. So we'll talk to you in a bit. Too much. This feels like a super highway. Boy, this has been one long endeavor. There we go. Alright, back up. Here comes the dust, so watch out. Just crazy. I'm showing these pictures because it is crazy. I don't like the fact that this phone is just... I sure hope this is the right way. We're just going down another... Yeah, there's the telephone lines that have to be going into some town. But that's what it's like up here. I'm trying to hold this up. Very rustic, very westernish, very dangerous. I say dangerous because, like right now it's hunting season, so you got tons and tons of people back there, even during this lockdown. They're out there doing their thing. And then you got what we call tweaker zombies, you know, they're out there. And then you got the fires. Oh shit. Where am I? The fires are pushing all the predator animals up or down. They're just fleeing where the fires are, and they come down here. So when you're camping, you're just we're just dirt camping. Throw the bags on the dirt. Put this on pause for a second. I want to bring us into the town off this road, if this is indeed, I think it's like population, it's under 100. It used to be a thriving little community back during the day. On 10/13, 7 a.m. Main Street will be closed. This is Main Street right here. Wow. Sorry for shuffling. Oh. Post office. Take a shot. God bless America. Take a shot. There's another shot right there. God bless America. Trump country. A lot of guns in this town. All right, see if it's safe to go in. Oh yeah, it's gonna be packed. That house right there, I think you can buy it for $68,000 as is. Be part of it. There's the bar right next to it. You don't get the bar, you just get the house. Lost RV, or see ya. No, it's closed still. It may be a permanent closure. Well, that's downtown right there. Can you believe it? Still closed. Shoot. He's talking to somebody. Maybe they'll make an exception. All right, let's see what's going to do next, and I'll be back. Look at that, though. I mean, that's real stuff. This isn't fake. This isn't like, you know, historical monument. This is a place of business and a house for sale. Right there, that's the bar. Casey's Place, $18.90. Bye. It's going to be tough to tell them. Guy's looking for a particular mine up here. Check this out, though. I think it's 68 grand. Mosquitoes. Oh, look at the mosquitoes. Look at that. You talk about a spook house. We're thinking about picking it up. Although, you have to have snowmobiles to get in here during the winter. They plow, but not very much. Look at that. This used to be a nice white house with blue trim. Family used to live right there. They'd come out. Right over here was the gas station, one pumper. We've been through this before, folks, but still. Original tin. Inside here, on this store here, was the store, the phone, the post office, the bakery. A butcher was in there. Certain goods, ammunition. All kinds of ammunition. And now this hippie guy. I shouldn't be the one to say my hair is longer than his. Runs it. He lives in it. And here's the famous sign that you've seen a couple of times. Right there. So we're special people. Alright, see ya. You think it says campers, it doesn't. Clampers. All clampers stop at bars, it's true. There it is right there. It's called Casey's Place, Allegheny. $18.90. Alright, I'm gonna go back down here. The excitement's over. We still have 15, 20, 30 miles to go. Half of it's on dirt, of course, in the dark. Alright, they say this is the road. I disagree, but it could be. It's going on 6. We're gonna get there in stone cold darkness. And this goes down, I guess, between 5 and 8 miles on this road. God damn it. I don't know what's going on. Okay, this is the road down to Oregon Creek. We think. We don't know. This could go to $10 nowhere. But if it is, it could be. It looks like it. They all look the same though. Dust cloud ahead. Don't run off a cliff. I mean, you can do it pretty easy up here. So we're gonna go down here and try to hunker down for the night. If we aren't being hassled. Last time we came down here, a guy came out with a gun. What you doing? It just goes on. Look at that. Look at that sun bleeping on through. Look how orange it is. That's all smoke. The fires are about, I don't know, as a crow flies about, maybe 100 miles away. 75, but the wind blows back and forth, and we've been just inundated with smoke and dust and coronavirus getting in your nose. By the way, we haven't seen one mask. I haven't seen a mask yet since we left this morning. But this is it. We'll see if there's any would-be assailants down here. That's the first thing you have to worry about back here. Because even though it looks, oh my gosh, even though it looks way out in the middle of nowhere, and it is at this point on the map anyway. You know, people are running around California. They've been evicted. They've been shut out. They've been closed down. They've been, evacuated. hundreds of thousands of people are down here. Son of a gun. Wow. Look at that. Can you believe this? People are down. Oh, and they have a bonfire. Okay, we're gonna take this spot right here. See ya. Oh man. Wow, I can't believe it. Bye. We decided we're gonna stop right here. There's a creek down there. There's a fire pit there. Someone's having a big old bonfire down there. This place never has people in it. But that's what they say when they say that RV sales are up and campers are up and people aren't going overseas anymore. That's what they mean by it. So, yeah. Oh, there's gold here, Bob. Right over there. And there's some mosquitoes here. We got to start a fire. This is a gold-bearing creek. He's down there looking right now. Oh, there's some big mosquitoes. All right. As you can see, we're here. Wherever here is, Oregon Creek, they call it. A road off a road, 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 off a road. But there's actual people here. This is amazing. Although this is a Saturday, so. But we'll put our pans in right down there. Any pools? Believe it or not, you can catch a little brook trout out of this. Like right over there, there's a little pool of water. You can probably pull a 6-incher out anyway. Yeah. What you find when you just take a road off a road. All right. We'll talk to you in a bit. All right, we're settling in. Buddy over there forgot a sleeping bag. So he's putting up this small, easily assembled tent.
You don't understand, Joe. I was just trying to do something nice.
That looks like something you take up to the Arctic Circle. They have a bonfire down there, so we're going to go ahead and light one up here, a small one, just to keep the bugs away from us. Yeah, of course, we're watching Wings. The generator's back there, right there. EU 2200i inverter generator. And I guess dinner is going to be postponed, whatever they're going to cook up on no food. I did give him a blanket. It's gonna get cold, baby cold. But he'll be in a tent and he has a big old brown cloth too, so he'll be fine. And I am gonna sleep right there, right under that pile, on top of those pine cones. Bigfoot will come walking right through there. And there it is. The back of his Jeep, so he doesn't have to bend over. And after setting up these guys set this up. We found a sleeping bag on the side of the Jeep that he took out and forgot he took it out. It's still got wings going. And the gourmet chef. Army cook, man. An Army cook right there. Cooking for the troops. Alright, they're looking at me going, oh, shut up already. Alright. The fire has been lit. And let there be fire.
I think they're fighting. Oh, just hit him with a rabbit punch in the kidneys. Hey, he's running back to the plane.
Well, you know the morning has arrived. And you got your coffee going. We're going to be packing it up. People bringing their hound dogs up here. I'd never heard of hunting for deer with hound dogs, but you can hear it. This is it. So far it's been a day and a half, all this that we've been doing. Day and a half. Sun's peeking through. And there's the stream. Doubt if I even do that today. Too cold. Water. But that's it. They slept in a tent. I slept there. The Lost RVers. A lot of road video. Woke up. Sleeping problems. Cooking problems. Buddy wanted to put up a tent. I said, tent? So we didn't even do any gold mining, is what I'm trying to get at. So we're gonna leave here and head on back down the hill. One of these drive and road footage, road video, just road. It's been all road. Did a little fishing. Very disappointed that we didn't do any gold mining. I can't even see out the window. There's just no way. So I'll stop right here and talk to you guys later. See ya. All right. Oh, I left it on. I couldn't see a thing. That's how it was all day yesterday. So I'm taking the lead on this one. I'll let them eat dust for 5-6 miles. Driving up here, it's like roads off of roads off of roads. This is one of them. And this is a good one. This is what we call a super highway. It gets worse up here, but it's okay. And we're climbing out, then we're going to be, I think that's going to be the end of the show. Maybe I'll do some more hyper speed on this camera. Well, that was a hyper speed coming out of a ravine, a place called Oregon Creek, and that was a pretty good road. Now we're just heading back down out of the Sierras. You can tell, I can see it. The smoke in the air is thick. Probably got more fires going. Well, that was the hyper speed on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. These names, you know, the S20 Plus in a 2002 Highlander Toyota with 235,000 miles on it. Those are going to be the tags anyway. Gold mining trip, fishing trip, camping, car camping, dirt camping, cold camping, bum camping. We did fish. I didn't even take out my detector. There's nobody on the roads on Sunday. Nobody. And at normal times, you just see camper or trailer or RV, you know, Volkswagens. You see a lot of people up here. Nobody. The world has changed and we're changing with it. But the world still exists, and that's what you're looking at right now. The world. Look at the smoke out there. Holy cow. Look at that. It just goes on. We'll have the cameras on right here. So you're watching the Lost RVers. Our motto is dream big and drive hard. Gal Root Pig and wife. And I started this just like everybody else. You just start videoing it and kind of trying how to edit it and splice it, which I'm very limited to. And then put out, you know, shoot like 45 minutes, an hour and 3 minutes. It's, you know, you'd have to be bored to watch them, or just want to go along for the ride. Yeah. A 10-day trip boiled down to about an hour and 20 minutes, just live footage, me talking, make you sick to your stomach. But what else can I do? I can't turn on the radio. I get copyright infringements. Can't even sing a full song. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna narrate it. Hi, this is Cal Root Pig and wife, known as the Lost RVers. Subscribe to our channel. Right? Right, guys. See you in a bit. Yes, sirree. A lot to explore up here in the Sierras, though, if you're coming up this way. There's desolate Sierras, old Sierras, pre-man Sierras, well, pre-modern man, well, pre-industrial revolution man. And there are a lot of places that you can boondock forever and forever. Pretty much anywhere you want. Where we were, you were there. Besides doing, you know, four-wheel driving, ATV, that kind of stuff, that's out there, way out there. That's why you didn't see any trucks or cars after we left Milton Lake. You didn't see a soul until we got down to Allegheny. People just don't go that way, and very few people know that. That's the best part, because you can get lost if you don't know. You come to an intersection and there's 5 equally nice roads going off in different directions, or 4 or 3. Plus you're going through about 4 inches of soft silt. It's just a fine dust. And this has happened to us, happens. A lot of people abandon. They have to leave their vehicles when the snow comes. That road out is about an hour and a half, 2 hours, sometimes 2. It just depends on the condition. It took us about an hour and a half, a little bit more. That's the Wells Fargo station house right there. Oh well. Pony Express. Oh well. Sorry. Can't stop. We got people behind me. So if there's a quick shower or a storm that comes in, all that red dust turns to red mud, and a thick mud. And that's one problem. And the other problem is just you take the wrong fork because they are not marked, and you can end up down some steep grade where when you're coming that back and you have to make a U-turn because it's a dead end, it wasn't marked or something. There's been times when you can't come up the grade. You just have a 2-wheel front wheel drive, or you know, a mid-size car. You'll just spin your wheels, you're stuck. That's why I always go with 2 vehicles. That's the third rule, man. Always go with 2 vehicles. If you don't have 2 vehicles, You don't want to go too far inland because all it takes is leave a door open ajar. You know, you go to sleep and wake up, the battery's dead. You're down 40 miles on a road, off a road, off a road, off a road. You go down 5 road deep. That's far in. Out here, there's no cell at all. Zip, nothing. It's a long walk out. Long. Well, it's a long segment too. You take the back way and you go through. You don't have the GPS. I don't know the name of the road. But you're coming down into the middle fork. It'll take you right to Highway 20. Hook a right, and then that'll take you all the way down to Marysville. You bypass Marysville by taking Smartsville Hamilton turnoff. You'll see it's a road. Just gotta look for it. Maybe down there. Wow. Yeah, South River State Park, California. All right, I'll stop this and then get it down there. Bye. Saw this on the last one. Remember, it was just lined with people. It was 103. They were breaking the law. Not the law, but the statute. No, beaches were closed. Stay home. There were thousands of people down here breaking the laws. Yes, sirree, Bob. All right. Back up. Remember, Highway 20 is up there. You hook a right, and you can get back to the Bay Area. You can get to Sacramento, Modesto, down south. If you're coming up that way. Even from the north, if you're coming up, like Redding, Chico, coming over this side of town. This is the quickest way out instead of going down the Highway 80. Traffic. All right, Lost Auto Viewers, remember, subscribe to the station, and we'll talk to you next time. Bye.